Tickets, please, tickets. Well, you're coming?
Magic carpet on a rail.
Never takes a rest.
Flying through the mountains and the snow.
You can ride for free.
If you just say yes, 'cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express.
You bet.
Woo-woo, the whistle blows as the sun is singing. Ding, ding, lowering.
Golly, look at it go!
Wonder if you'll get there soon. Anybody's guess.
'Cause that's the way things happen on the Polar Express.
When we get there, we'll scream.
Yeah!
We'll arrive with
Bang, bang, bang!
laughing all the way.
It's a choo-choo with a stunning view that rivals all the best, but you won't ever see it advertised. It's a simple fact, we stay on track, though sometimes we digress, but that can only happen on the Polar Express.
Kiss, kiss, the seeming kiss.
That's the sound of her breathing.